So this is gigabyte graphic card, AORUS GeForce RTX 3080 XTREME 10G, and let's check the deep specification of this graphic card. So this is graphic socket required this GeForce RTX 3080, and this is core clock 1905 megahertz and DA core 8704. This is the graphic bit unit which is transferred to your data to your VRAM, and this is memory clock, graphic clock 19,000 megahertz. This is your graphic card size 10 GB. This is your graphic card socket which is connected to your motherboard GDDR6X. This is your bit bus speeds, and this is your graphic card speed 760 GB per second, and require this PCI is 4.0 which is connect, and this is your resolutions, max resolutions which is connect to your monitor, max supporting 7680 into 4320, and multi-view we can connect to 4, required power 850 watt with 3 8 pin, display port 3 display port, DP port, 2 HDMI, and one more HDMI which is 2.0.